fucking times out. Oh yeah, now you over me. I know kids call me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got a queen, but I'm just like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck is gonna...
Alright, what's up, cuz?
We need an air filter, like for sure.
Alright, what we doing to the Hellcat today?
We're gonna install this cold air intake that's right over here.
Carbon fiber.
So I clean this up. Caveman style?
Yeah. Twist them more, no?
Come on, I got it. Bro, turn that heater off. I'm like toasted. It fell in there, bro.
See if we can see where that motherfucker went.
Because the thing is, I don't think I can put it in there first. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It'll fall back in there.
2,000 years later.
We're having a little problem getting this sensor in there. So what we did was put our hand on the inside, hold that grommet in there, and then push this one in. So we're good now. Well, you don't want to tighten it too much because you don't want to break this carbon fiber. This goes in there like this. Just like that, boys. Woo. Yeah, buddy. I gotta get that bolt working. Alright, so that's it. Let's see if we can hear this whine now. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, so we're back. We finally got his fucking Hellcat back. Nice. We're gonna try out
with the Legmaker.
Legmaker cold air intake right now on the highway, see what the difference is.
I tell you what, these bald eagles are gonna be unleashed. 707 horsepower, baby. It's just on 500 horsepower, guys. We're gonna get on down the highway and do some pulls. See, you know how it winds. If it winds more than some kids I know, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. To be honest, I know 500 horsepower. We're gonna put it right now. 700. Make sure you show them. Make sure you show them the American bald eagles. You know. You already hear it scream and whine like crazy. Go there and take onto the Legmaker. I mean, it makes a big difference, like a huge difference, which is what I wanted, because the stock box was too quiet. So we'll see. Once we get a better straightforward line, and we'll hit the gas. But right now we really can't. As you can see, show them the Chicago traffic. It's barely one, guys, so it's really shouldn't be traffic, but Chicago, it loves to have traffic, I tell you. If you want it to wind, definitely look into Legmaker. It makes the biggest difference in the world between the stock holder intake and the Legmaker itself. Once we pass this tollway right here from Mexico, then we should be good. We should be on the straight lane. Man, it wants to go. It wants to go. Never heard of a sexy one like that, though. I'll tell you that much. 100. Coming straight from Ghost, you know. Man, you can feel the torque. You can just feel the whole power of the car. Right now we're gonna get from like 60 to like 140 up here in Mexico, Jalisco, Guadalajara. It was, you know, we had to cross the border, so now we crossed it. But we're definitely, you know, there's no speed limit out here, so you guys shouldn't be worried about the speed limit around Mexico. So, you know, Mexico is Mexico. You know, we crossed the border already. We got checked, and we checked in, and everything is just a rib, you know, passport, whatever. And now we're back. You gotta make sure, you know, Mexican police is not around here.
Drop it down.
Alright guys, do a little minor pull. Ooh, feels so good. Guys, if you want a cooler intake that whines, look into Legmaker. It makes a big difference on the whine. It sounds nice. Regardless, the Hellcat's super dope. You know, no offense to the Scats or the SRTs, but if you're looking into getting a Hellcat, get that Legmaker in, so that way you guys could feel like the power, the real power. I mean, those 707 bald eagle powers. But you can hear this thing though. Check it out, guys. We're in Mexico territory though, don't even worry about it. You know, we're professional street racers, whatever you want to call it. I should be getting in injectors for the E85. I'm thinking about getting headers, no cats. What else? Upper pulley, lower pulley, port the blower, port the snout, and I should be doing some good time on a quarter mile. We're also going to be putting up a lot of videos of us at the track. US 41, catches at US 41, Great Lakes, especially Great Lakes. That's where I'll be at, like, most of the time. But yeah, overall though, I'm happy with the color intake. It's worth almost $500 for the color intake. I daily drive my Hellcat in Chicago. Just when if there's snow, then I won't take it out. But if it's dry like this and then salt on the ground, I mean, I still drive it. I don't care. At the end of the day, I mean, it's just a car. It's a Hellcat, but it's just a car. You see the salt on the ground? Yeah, you see the snow. It snowed yesterday, but it melts in the snow. Let's see. Damn, dude, that rings is super nice, bro.
Hell yeah.
What do you think about it, cuz?
That shit's nice.
Yeah, nice.
Hell yeah. One last thing before you guys end up dipping and everything. So the last 10 to get us to 1,000 subscribers end up getting some free hoodies. As you can see, I'm rocking the black with the neon yellow.
Oh no, this is the OG.
This one is the OG.
This is the OG, but this
is the first
this is
one.
just like a little samples of what we were trying to do. Obviously, we got better from the font. Look, this is just some
simple
base,
fonts,
yeah.
some basic.
But we got some really
some
cool
different
hoodies.
ones. We got other ones coming along the way. So the last ones to get us to 1,000 subscribers, hit us up with some proof saying that you were the last ones we'll be able to see. Subscribe and share, like, comment,
Definitely
be active.
comment.
We'll be replying back and everything. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.